Welcome back to another video on the channel, everybody. So yeah, as you see, what we're gonna talk about today is the JDF credibility test. So yeah, before I get into that video, I would like to give a huge thanks to everybody who coming back and support the channel and all of them things. There isn't enough respect to do for me, isn't it? So anyways, as I said, some people text me on the Instagram and other things. If you want to ask me questions off the ear or off YouTube, please check out my Instagram and ask me question from there, isn't it? So look, it link there in my my description of this video and in every other video, so you can go inbox me or something if you want to ask question off the ear, isn't it? So yeah, anyways, so today we'll be talking about the credibility tests, them thing there. Please note that I have a playlist too with the JDF process, like step by step. So if you don't know what go happen after you done a process, a part of the process, you don't know what is going to be coming after, and you don't know what is it, you can go check out the playlist and know what and what fall in line, isn't it? So yeah, you can just go do that. Go over to the playlist. We have it right on the channel, so you can check it out. All them things there, isn't it? So yeah. So the credibility test now. The credibility test is simply a lie detector test, isn't it? So not a big deal. It's just a simple lie detector test. So therefore, which you go through a lie detector test, just not tell no lie. Go in there with a straight mind and not tell no lie, you see it? So in that lie detector test now, they might go ask you like certain questions, out of the box questions, and questions relating to yourself and others, isn't it? Others around you, isn't it? So simple, it's a simple yes and no thing there. Thing, you see it, test, you see it. So when them ask you a question, therefore, if them ask you if you're in a gang or something, or you ever been in a gang or something, just answer simple yes or no. Because if you answer no, I know say did in the wrongs or did I do wrong things in a gang and other things, and you answer no, it a go pick up say you tell lie, and them a go feel this, isn't it? So it's a simple yes and no, isn't it? So nobody go in there feel like you can escape what them saying and tell any lie, isn't it? So anyways, it's a simple thing. If you ever thief meat out of your mother pot, just answer yes. If they ask if you thief anything before, just say yes, isn't it? Because it come down to thieving even milk out of coffee. Like simple as that. That they mean by thief. So nobody go there and say no, you never thief before. Yes, you have thief before. So the simple say yes, isn't it? Cause what they mean by thief are the simple thief or meat out of your mother pot or something. You eat or thief goods or somebody or thief goat or something. Isn't it? Simple as that. What that they mean by thief. They ask you some questions about the area where you live. Them thing there, isn't it? That's them do in a credibility, you see it? So it's a simple lie detector test, and just go there with a clear mind. All of them gonna better go there, fret up yourself, them thing there, fret out the thing, and then next thing you fear because you fret and then pick up. You sit there, say pick up on the algorithm where them use in the credibility test, in the lie detector part. Them use the algorithm, it a go pick up say yo something wrong, and them a feel like they say you see it. So cause them a say yes, you not tell lie because when the man said something go wrong. So yeah, just go there with a clear mind and answer the question. Think, no matter overthink the question, them, you know, isn't it? Don't overthink the questions, just answer simply yes or no. If you know say you do it, just say yes, not no wrong, isn't it? But just note that if them pick up, if them follow you up and you certain things where you in or when them ask you about and you do it, that is wrong, them not gonna accept it, isn't it? So better have a clear head and know say you're not in no wrongs or do no wrongs or nothing, isn't it? Just go there with a straight mind and just tell the truth, you see me? But I go there and I fit up a thing and mash up yourself, they say, you see me? So that may I give to most of me, you see me? Make sure you have a clean police record too, that I next thing too. You see me? So anyways, well, I don't know much for this, but that's it for now. But anyways, I don't have much to say. So I have other videos I want to check out. And not by the thing is, I haven't been posting regularly. That's a no show for me because I don't have any time like how I used to do. So yeah, just know so when I get certain help that I need, all them things lazy. So yeah, just go and meds them and just rethink. You see it. Make sure I always go with a clear mind. I have other videos coming up soon. All them things lazy. So make sure no look out for them video there. All them things lazy. So yeah.
Though the main responsibility rests with the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, the JDF maintains the capability to mount post-disaster relief, recovery, and reconstruction operations. The task of disaster management is done with infantry and air assets, along with engineering equipment and logistics-trained personnel. The JDF also works along with other Government of Jamaica ministries, departments, and agencies in carrying out these tasks. The JDF provides, manages, and maintains essential services in any national emergency and gives advice and support to national construction projects. The resources used to achieve this capability are primarily air, maritime, infantry, and engineer assets. There are ever-increasing demands on the force for its human capital, as national projects and programs are a major source of manpower utilization. Jamaica has a maritime area of approximately 275,000 square kilometers. The JDF is required to have an air and maritime capability to detect and identify aircraft and vessels within Jamaica's airspace and maritime areas on a 24-hour basis. The force must interdict vessels involved in illegal activities and refugee movement, respond to maritime disasters at sea, and undertake environmental and resource protection tasks. The JDF has the capability to respond to terrorist threats, including hijackings, improvised explosive devices, IED, and attacks on key installations. The resources for this capability include specially trained troops, suitably equipped IED and EOD teams, as well as the infantry and intelligence forces required for these tasks. The JDF is required to search for, locate, and rescue persons, aircraft, and vessels in distress within Jamaica's search and rescue region. In order to carry out this task, the JDF currently uses its medium-lift helicopters and its inshore and offshore patrol vessels to effect rescue missions at sea. For land rescue missions, specifically trained and equipped infantry carry out these tasks. The JDF provides external humanitarian assistance and participates in peacekeeping and conflict prevention operations regionally and internationally. The JDF maintains the flexibility to package its forces with the requisite equipment for deployment on a wide range of missions and assists our regional partners in the event of such contingencies. The JDF participates in regional training and exchange exercises in order to maintain interoperability with our partner nations. The force also liaises with regional and international partners on security matters, including security-related memorandums of understandings and treaties. Finally, the JDF provides troops for state ceremonial functions, including guards of honor and state funerals, and also maintains its military band, which continues to charge